To the journaling process, I also wanted to share this mechanical keyboard that I was sent from Knewkey, and I have a little discount code to share with you guys as well. But this is a mechanical keyboard that you can use with iPad Pro, MacBook Pro, iPhone and other devices as well. It connects with Bluetooth and it also has a USB connection that you can plug in, and you can also connect up to 3 different devices at the same time and then just switch between them really easily. So this keyboard has a bit of a retro design to sort of give you that typewriter vibe, and it's really fun to type with. As you can see here, I'm testing it out. It has heaps of different lighting settings behind the keys as well, which makes it really fun, and the keys have an audible click, so the sound is really nice to listen to and it gives you that nice tactile feel when you're typing. You can also get it in 3 different switches, so blue, red and brown are the options, and all that is how loud the keyboard will be. So I actually have the red. I do a lot of note writing on my phone and on my iPad, especially when I'm planning out classes and YouTube content and stuff like that. So this will come in handy for that. And if you guys are interested, I'll leave the link to that down below. And you can also use the coupon code Johanna to get $10 off.